Hey everyone, it's Robert from Studio 5 Drone Productions. Did you know that drone propellers don't last forever? It's true, and it can be bad news when they fail. Let's make sure yours are always in top shape. Propellers are your drone's lifeline. They face wear and tear from dust, bumps, and normal everyday flights. Damaged propellers can lead to shaky videos, unstable flights, power inefficiencies, and even mid-air failures. Before each flight, do a quick check. Look for cracks, chips, peeling, also known as delaminating, or any unusual warping. Feel for stiffness or bends. Listen for unusual sounds. If your drone's louder than usual, it might be time for new props. Replace them after crashes, every 100 to 150 flights, or if performance dips. Swapping them out is simple. Unscrew the old, align the new, and secure. But make sure you put them on correctly. Are yours color-coded for which arm they go on? You can always check your manual for proper orientation if needed. Remember, pre-flight checks and timely replacements keep your drone at its best. If you enjoyed the information provided in this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and help us spread the word. Fly smart and fly safe.